Good day, sir. We will be presenting our topic about weather observation and forecasting. Weather is very important in our daily life because it affects our activities and safety. In this presentation, we will be explain how weather is observed, recorded, and reported, as well as how forecasting help predict future weather condition. Now, let me introduce my member. This is our member and we will be reporting about weather observation and forecasting. Introduction. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at the given time. Weather reporting tells us current condition. Weather forecasting predict future condition. Help people plan and daily activities.
Hypnotic chart example, a daily surface weather map from Pagasa, Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Service Administration, showing current wind direction, high, low pressure areas, and cloud cover over Cagayan de Oro and Northern Mindanao as of specific time. Prognostic chart example, a 24-hour forecast chart from the same agency predicting where a low pressure system might move, expected rainfall levels and temperature range for the region tomorrow. Example for range information available. Temperature maps, a color-coded map showing that Cagayan de Oro has a current temperature of 30, while higher elevation in Misamis Oriental are around 26. Pressure system, a chart making a high pressure area over the northern Philippines, bringing clear skies and a weak low pressure area. Cloud cover, satellite imagery showing scattered cumulus clouds over urban areas of Cagayan de Oro, extensive cloud bands over nearby seas. Rainfall data, a map indicating that parts of Misamis Oriental received 50 or 75 millimeters of rain in the past 24 hours due to localized thunderstorm. Wind patterns, an arrow-based map showing northeast winds blowing at 10 to 15 km/h across Cagayan de Oro Bay. Thank you.
Number 7, weather forecast. Weather forecast predict future atmospheric condition. Can be short-term, hours to days, long-term, week or months. Help people prepare for weather change. Weather forecast example, short terms, hours to days. It will rain this afternoon. Expect cloudy skies tomorrow. Thunderstorm may occur tonight. Long term, week or months. This month will have more rainy days than usual. Dry season will start next month. Above average temperature are expected this summer. How it helps farmers prepare crops before rain. Fishermen avoid route seas. Students bring umbrella or wear paper clothes.
Importance of weather forecasting. Disaster preparedness, storm floods. Weather forecasting help people prepare for natural disaster before they happen. It gives early warnings about typhoons, heavy rain, or floods so family can evacuate, secure their home, and stay safe. Transportation safety. Forecasts help keep travel safe. Pilots, chief captains, and drivers use weather information to avoid dangerous conditions like storm, heavy rain, or fog, reducing accidents. Conclusion: weather observation and forecasting are very important because they help us understand current weather conditions and predict what will happen next. By using tools like synoptic charts which show present weather conditions over a large area and prognostic charts which show future weather prediction, meteorologists can make more accurate forecasts. These improved forecasts are not just for information, they play a big role in safety. They help people prepare for storm, heavy rain, or other dangerous weather conditions. As a result, weather forecasting helps to protect life and property by giving early warnings and allowing proper planning response. Example: before a typhoon hits, meteorologists use a synoptic chart to observe current weather patterns like pressure system and wind direction. Then they use prognostic chart to predict the typhoon's path and strength. Because of this forecast, the government can issue early warning, people can evacuate, and fishermen can avoid going to sea. This helps protect life and property by reducing damage and preventing accidents.
Recording and reporting weather observation. Weather data is collected using instruments. Common elements recorded: temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction. Rainfall data is reported to weather station. In Talisay, Cebu City, a local observer uses a thermometer to note a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius at 2 p.m. A hygrometer showing 75% relative humidity and anemometer recording wind blowing from the east at 15 kilometers and a rain gauge indicating 0 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. This data is sent via a digital system to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration weather station in Mactan, recording specific weather elements with standard instruments ensures consistency so data from Talisay City can be compared to readings from other locations across the country. Reporting to the station like Pag-asa allows for centralized processing, which is essential for building a complete picture of local, regional weather conditions. Synoptic charts and weather in forecasting. Synoptic charts show weather condition over a large area used by meteorologists to analyze weather patterns, helps in predicting future weather. A synoptic chart for the Philippines shows a low pressure system forming east of Mindanao, with warm, moist winds flowing toward it from the Pacific Ocean. Meteorologists analyze the chart and see that this system is moving northwest toward the Visayas. They predict that Talisay City will experience increased cloud cover and light rain within 24 to 48 hours. Synoptic charts compile data from multiple weather stations like the one in Mactan to map features such as pressure system, wind flow and fronts. By studying how these features move and interact, meteorologists can forecast changes, helping communities in areas like the Central Visayas prepare for upcoming events.